This week marks my 9th year anniversary of completing my undergraduate career from Savannah State University, and my 7th year completing my master's program from Clayton State University. There was not much knowledge given around the student loan process, and the refund checks were plentiful during my graduate program. I was even told that I would die with student loans. While I accumulated many student loans, I didn't splurge or blow my refund. I actually purchased my first investment property at the age of 21 with my student refund check. So while this has been a long road, I am not disappointed, as my student loans actually allows for me to still earn passive income to this day. I wasn't expecting to end up in the network marketing industry, but I thank God every day for it. This industry has provided me the opportunity to pay off over $80,000 in student loan debt while still living my best life. Many obstacles were faced, especially during this last year, as I made this journey of repayment. As this year and chapter comes to an end, I plan to leave every trial, tribulation, disbelief, obstacle, and misunderstanding in 2018. Here is to a debt-free life. I did it!